Hello, Happy New Year. This is Palash Chandrapanik. You can call Palash. Currently working as a senior lecturer in non-communicable disease program at Department of Community Medicine in Bangladesh University of Health Sciences. I am a young professional in the field of NCD, but involved in a wide range of project activities in the field of NCDs. My field of interest in research is cardiovascular disease. Global data represent that in 2008, total global death was 57 million, where 36 million were due to NCDs, principally cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, cancer, and chronic respiratory diseases. Nearly 80% of NCD deaths occur in low and middle income countries. Very recent data showed that non-communicable disease accounted for 52% of death in Bangladesh in the year of 2010, where more than 50% was contributed from cardiovascular diseases. It is remarkable from the evidence that CVD is now a major public health problem in Bangladesh. In terms of morbidity and mortality, the devastating effect of CVDs can be stopped by risk factors intervention. It is the demand of time to stop the epidemic of CVDs. Otherwise, it will be difficult to prevent and control CVDs death. The earned knowledge from the Emerging Leaders program can be used to initiate the implement in a project to reduce the CVDs mortality and morbidity, which will help to achieve the goal of reducing premature NCD death by 25% by 2025. It will be a unique opportunity for me to get advanced knowledge from the renowned resource person. I think it will be a great network for knowledge and technology sharing. So I am professionally motivated and interested to participate in this program to contribute the NCD death reduce program in my country.